Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. After another usual long absence, get back to making maybe a couple videos. Got a couple projects that have been sitting on the back burner. One is a wood lathe that was found on the side of the road, and been searching for a motor for it quite some time. Finally found a 3/4 horsepower, which is a little bigger than normal than what came on it, but we're gonna make it work. Picked it up on an auction here this week. My other auction winnings was this table saw, probably a 1950s vintage table saw by the Darra James Power Tool Company of Waterbury, Connecticut. It does run. I plugged it in, turns on. Everything seems to work other than it being just 70 some odd years of grime and gunk, just kind of making everything a little hard to move. The main arbor has a bearing it feels like it's dry, so I think before I run the risk of burning the bearing up and burning this thing to the ground, I think we'll try to take it apart and replace the bearings in that arbor. Then maybe get a new blade for it and a few pieces. It's missing a little insert that goes in here. See if we can't get one made for it, or custom made, whatever we got to do. It did come with some nice features that I think came with this nice fence here. Did come with a table cart that's under it. Looks something like the Ark of the Covenant with the red handles on either side. Not the best piece, but it definitely probably worked for a long time. We may probably make another base for it at some point. But in the base is actually the original guard, which I find surprising. Obviously it's off, and I'm amazed it just didn't get thrown away years ago. We even may put that on, who knows. But we'll start with those bearings and good cleaning, and kind of go from there. See what else we decide to do with it. First things first, we'll go ahead and remove this fence. It just slides off. Then we'll need to remove the tabletop. I've already took the liberty of removing the blade. I've already took the opportunity to remove the bolts that hold this top on. They were a little bit difficult to get to. You have to flip it over on its side in order to access them. I'm sure it's going to be really fun to put them back on. So, and that is a heavy cast top. We'll bring you in here and this is what we're going to be going after. So that burn feels a little dry. It's got a little bit of a drag to it, kind of hard spots on it. We'll need a new drive belt. We'll see about getting a new drive belt for it. The motor was replaced at one point. It has a Craftsman motor of maybe a little bit newer, maybe 60s vintage on the motor, but the motor sounds good. So I think we're in good shape here. It's an extremely well built piece compared to what's on the market today for a table saw. So we'll go ahead and concentrate on getting this out, and we'll figure that out how to do it. I don't really know. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is going to remove this belt. Go ahead and get it out of the way. Set it aside. There is a number on it. L280 M1K. Okay, so on the pulley there is a roll pin. I don't know if it's a roll pin. It might be a set screw. It looks pretty thin. Let's see what's the other. Oh, so no other side to it. Hopefully it's a set screw. We do want to get this whole arbor out though. Let's see what else we can do next to get this piece out of here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove this front adjustment wheel. Take that off. And there's a wood drift key in there for the wheel. Next is a spacer. And it allows that to travel, this arm to travel back. Let's unscrew. Okay. There we go. Does seem to be getting a little tight at the end. Okay, you're free. Okay, so we have another set screw. A set screw right in here. Right with my fingers in it. Alright, so that set screw, believe it or not, it's coming right out of there. Hopefully my big head is not in the way. My big arm is though. Okay. We'll go ahead and put some curl on that. Between there and the pin. Be a couple taps for the drift and it'll come out hopefully. It's coming. so let's back up and punt here. We're trying to take this handle off, these two bolts, take this whole assembly away from this surround. I don't see any reason to try to fight it and damage the pin. Hopefully this is the same. It's got a set screw in here. Same size. Set screw is loose. Alright. Hand wheel is off. We've got two, look like 1/4-inch bolts here. Hold this bracket to here, and that should be able to separate the two. There's nuts on that. Oddity. That's a 1/4-inch nut with a 1/2-inch head. Don't see that very often. That is going. Okay, it came right up that way. And there we are. Go ahead and get this set up on the vise and see if we can work at it a little better angle.